Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome. In today's video, we're gonna be looking at how to avoid common mistakes in English. Let's dive in. Common mistakes in English refer to those mistakes made by the English language users when speaking or writing English. It's a fact that both the native and non-native speakers commit errors both in writing and speaking. However, avoiding the common ones is really important so as to preserve the dignity of their speeches and writings. Paying attention to the common mistakes in spoken English can help one feel fluent and confident in both English speaking and writing. This video deals with the most common mistakes made by the English language speakers and some essential tips and tricks to avoid them. What is a common mistake in English? Common mistakes in English are those which are against the standards of the English language and grammar. It's worth mentioning that both the natives and non-natives commit these mistakes while speaking and writing in English. Avoiding common mistakes makes one's speech and writing beautiful and attractive. Some of the most common mistakes in the English language include, but are not limited to, double negatives, incorrect word order, wrongly used prepositions, incorrect usage of present perfect and past simple, mispronunciation, wrong punctuation, inaccurate use of articles, and others. Remember that common mistakes made by the speakers of English can be related to: number 1, vocabulary. Mistakes related to vocabulary include incorrect choice of words, unintentional words or words used out of context. Number 2, pronunciation. Mistakes in the pronunciation of words include mispronunciation of words. Number 3, grammar. The errors related to grammar are incorrect ordering of words, placement of wrong punctuation marks, and incorrect use of articles or parts of speech. How to avoid common mistakes in English? It's a fact that making mistakes or grammatical errors is inevitable, can happen by anyone at any time. However, paying a close attention to avoiding the common mistakes is essential. Here are the tips to avoid common mistakes and errors in spoken and written English. Number 1, master vocabulary. Mastering English vocabulary can help you avoid the common mistakes people make. Pay a special attention to word choice, contextual vocabulary, and correct usage of words. Number 2, learn pronunciation. Mispronunciation is one of the most common mistakes in spoken English, as there's no correspondence between the spelling of a word and its pronunciation in English. Learn how to pronounce words correctly. Number 3, enrich grammar. Mistakes are not only related to vocabulary and pronunciation, but also to grammar. Grammatical errors should be avoided at any cost in order to correctly construct your sentences. Number 4, practice regularly. Languages like English get improved with practice. The more you engage in speaking, reading, writing, and listening to English, the more better you become in English. Number 5, learn confusing words. The English language has many vocabulary words that spell and sound the same but have different meanings. Similarly, there are words that spell differently but sound the same, Learning these confusing words can be a great help in avoiding the common mistakes in English. Common mistakes in English. Number 1, wrongly used prepositions. Prepositions in English are a bit tricky when it comes to using them. The trickiest prepositions are in, at, on, by, and with. To avoid mistakes when using prepositions, learn the correct use of them. Number 2, using double negatives. Double negatives, as in I don't want nothing, are considered to be incorrect in standard English. Avoiding such constructions is important. Number 3, incorrect word order. Wrong placement of words is one of the most common mistakes in English. The English language has patterns of sentences and structured lines. To avoid such mistakes related to word order, engage in constructing the simple sentences so that you fully understand the correct placement. Number 4, mispronunciation of words. Mispronunciation of words is one of the most common mistakes in spoken English. There's no correspondence between spelling and pronunciation of words, so pay special attention to the pronunciation of words. Number 5, misplacement of articles. Sometimes articles become really confusing. The articles such as a, and the are governed by some specific grammatical rules. Remember that mistakes related to articles can occur at both the speaking and writing levels. The best way to avoid them is to master the limited rules concerning the usage of articles. Number 6, omitting verbs. Verbs tell us about the state or the action taking place in a sentence. If you leave out the verbs, the sentence will not be correct grammatically nor semantically. Do not omit any verb in a sentence. Number 7, mingling homophones. Homophones are words that sound the same and have different spellings and meanings. These words are the most confusing when it comes to speaking and writing English. To avoid such mistakes related to homophones, you need to master the most common homophones. Facts or frequently asked questions. How to avoid common mistakes in English? What is a common mistake in English? A common mistake in English is the one the English language users make when speaking and writing in English. The most common mistakes include misplacing articles, omitting subject and verb, mixing up homophones, incorrect word order, using double negatives. How to avoid common errors in English? Number 1, learn grammar. Number 2, improve vocabulary. Number 3, articulate words correctly. Number 4, master confusing words. Number 5, practice speaking and writing English. How can I speak English without mistakes? Mistakes in spoken English can't be fully avoided because mistakes are inevitable. However, to speak English without mistakes or less mistakes, you must be proficient. You must be proficient in vocabulary, pronunciation, and grammar. This video ends here about how to avoid common mistakes in English. Thanks for watching.